I have 7 shoulder bags that are the easiest to carry. Top favorite shoulder bags in my collection that I don't have to worry about the weather or the leather or anything like that. If you want to know my top favorite shoulder bags, stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome to my channel, and thank you for joining me at the Babe Cave table. And if you don't mind, subscribe to my channel. It's all about handbags, lifestyle reviews, and unboxings. And today is my top favorite shoulder bags. And why? This first one is no surprise if you've been on my channel for very long. This bag right here, which they discontinued this size, and it is called the Metro Shoulder, and this is in spangle sequin. This bag right here can be carried any weather, anytime. It's lightweight, which I've mentioned before. It has a pouch in here that you can put your essentials for your bag in if you want to use that. It's just beautiful. It has a zipper pocket. This one right here fits over my shoulder. I could just throw my stuff in and leave the house. It is not fussy. It's not depending on weather outside. I just carry it year round because of all the colors, the material. It's very light nylon material. MZ Wallace Metro Shoulder is a great carry, and I love the giant zipper. Have you seen how big the zipper tape is right there? This right here, a very nice shoulder bag, and it is a top one that I continually go back to. This next one is from Dooney Bourke, and this is my only Dooney Bourke bag that I own, and I'm still on the hunt for a couple more of these, and I have not decided on which ones yet, but there will be more Dooney Bourke. But this one is called the T Monogram Jacquard Studio, and this is hazelnut. And this is a really easy carry as well. I don't really care I can wear it in any weather. It's just the fabric material with some leather details. This shoulder drop is comfortable, and you know what? I don't typically like metal only bags, but this one has the leather and the metal, which I find way more comfortable as a shoulder carry. And I love the long zipper pull here, and this one actually comes with the dust bag, of course, and a crossbody strap, but I prefer this bag as a shoulder bag. And like I said, this is also very lightweight. Throw your stuff in and go. It's super easy carry. Been on the rotation a lot. I prefer it shoulder carry, and it is a beautiful Dooney Bourke shoulder bag. This next one is also weather-friendly, perfect shoulder drop length. I love the chunky pebbling on this bag, and I love how big this turn lock is. That was what really drew me into this shoulder bag and this pretty beige tan color. And it just looks like this inside with I like this silk material that they used. Back in the day, they had like aqua and purple and blues that were just this silky material like this. I really like it. Although some people's insides of their bag looks really dirty, and this would show up if people did put their ink pens and makeup and whatever. But this is a great shoulder bag. Really easy to carry any weather, any time of year. Has a back pocket. This one is easy and a very nice shoulder carry from Coach. I really don't know the name of it. I've tried to figure that out, but I don't really care. I just really like it, and it's a perfect shoulder carry. This one is no surprise either. It is my Coach Soho, and these are very popular right now because of the shape, the size. This leather is a smooth leather, and you can wear it any time of the year. It has silver hardware, which I don't own a lot of silver hardware. It has adjustments for your shoulder strap, magnetic closure, double pockets inside and not outside, which I kind of like that a little bit better. And this one came with the cards that you get with Coach sometimes. I didn't know that they had a registration card though. But this is a great bag for easy carry over the shoulder. Doesn't slide off your arm. Silver hardware. And here's this other booklet that came with it. An American classic. I think these Soho bags are trendy no matter what the trends are. This one is going to stay. And it is a great carry. Smooth leather. It is a classic to me, the Soho, and I did not pay that much for this bag, and I'm just flipping through so you can see some of this. I like that they put these booklets in the older bags. You know, you don't get this kind of touch with newer bags anymore. They don't tell you how it's done or, you know, what their process is to make the leathers. I mean, this is what I think they should do with their bags today. But you know, times have changed, and, you know, some of these vintage Coach bags are skyrocketed in price, but I like the season side as well. But yes, another easy throw over your shoulder carry, and definitely on the everyday rotations. It's always on the rotations. My next one is my Quince Hobo shoulder bag that Yoda painted for me. This is supposed to be a lily, and that was my wedding flower, and that's when I got married to my husband. You've seen this. It's, again, all-weather leather type stuff where you can just take it. And I believe, you know, this has something on it to protect it. I have not worn this in the rain, but I am sure that it will be just fine. I don't see any problems with it. It holds a ton. In this light beige color, gold hardware, very comfortable and very roomy for a shoulder bag. And again, I have videos on all these bags. I will try to link some of these down below. This is the only kink I have with this Quince bag. It sometimes gets stuck there, just on this one spot, but other than that, the weather does not matter. You can wear it anytime, anywhere, any place during the year. So this is another on rotation for sure, my Quince bag. The next one is a Dooney Bourke, and I believe this is just called the crossbody pouch, but as you can see, I only wear this with this Coach rainbow strap. That's my favorite way to carry this little bag. In the glacier blue, again, you can wear this in any weather, any time of year. Beautiful condition. It, of course, is supposed to be crossbody, but I really honestly don't like this thin strap, and I like my Coach with it better. So the strap is not my favorite that come with these crossbody pouches. Let me get the tag out in case you're interested. Yeah, glacier blue crossbody pouch. And I didn't pay but like $27 for this bag back when I got it because I had points. Yes, they used to have points on Dooney. I love Dooney. A lot of things have come and gone, unfortunately, with Dooney, and they need to bring back the loyalty points where you could purchase things and earn points like Portland Leather Good does, and they stopped doing that, and it's unfortunate, but I understand times are changing, so I guess roll with the punches. But this is, to me, the perfect shoulder bag, and it's an everyday, every season carry. My last one would be my Louis Vuitton Iena PM, and I'm putting this in here because this thing holds a lot, but these double straps are actually very comfortable as a shoulder carry. I like that I can put my phone up front. It's all weather, you know, you can rain, snow, shine, whatever. You can wear this bag all year round. Perfect shape, size, has the zipper on top, unlike the Neverfull. And yeah, I can't say enough about this. Is called the Louis Vuitton Iena PM. And again, it's a great shoulder carry. So if you like shoulder bags, I hope you enjoyed this video, because I enjoy shoulder bags more than I used to. Usually I would tend to buy crossbody bags, which I still like my crossbody bags, but lately I have been loving the ease of a shoulder bag. I don't know why. I just like it under my arm, and that's probably going to change. I mean, trends change, people change, but for now I'm loving the shoulder carries, and I wanted to share my favorite ones that I can wear in any weather, any time of year. It doesn't matter. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel. It's all about handbags and lifestyle, reviews, and unboxings occasionally. Those are getting a little slower because everything is higher, and I'm really not feeling buying new ones right now. But I'm sure that'll change next season or next week. There could be a new bag that I want. Who knows? Thank you for stopping by and watching. And I appreciate all of you for spending time with me on my videos. And I will talk to you on the next one. Bye.